Bũrũri ũkĩgũmagĩrwo nĩ mbirũ nene cia thitima na hinya ũngĩ wa kũhũthĩka, Akenya nĩ morĩtio kũhĩmbĩria ũhũthĩri wa sora. Ũũ nĩ thutha wa kambuni ya Sweden kũrugũria ũhũthĩri wa sora harĩ ũrĩmi-inĩ hamwe na iganda-inĩ, makĩria kũhũra mahiga kwara-inĩ.
Advice for industries, for Kenyans, let us transition to solar, and we from e-mobility, from agro-processing, from industry, we don't need to have the challenges that we are having because of fossil fuels, grid power. So long as there's sufficient space, we encourage Kenyans to transition, to get the free energy from the sun and utilize it to
Jonas Naman kuma bũrũri wa Sweden ũrĩa nĩ injinia ugĩte sora nĩ iracũngĩrĩria mahũthĩro ma thitima kũnyiha na kuongerera atĩ mainjinia 20 nĩ mahumbagwo thũmbĩ oro mwaka arĩa makoragwo makĩongerera ũgĩ hoka nĩ ciĩgiĩ hinya wa kũhũthĩka.
The solar energy is a great contribution to reduce the need for grid, and I mean it's a great match in Kenya. Our focus is on larger consumers. The challenge with residentials is that you need to store the energy. So from daytime, maybe in the evening when you would like to watch Premier League, you need to save the energy. So you need to add a battery, which makes it a bit more expensive. And it's also a scale of the consumption.
Kambuni ya mahũa ya Sharma yugĩte kuma rĩrĩa yambĩrĩirie ũhũthĩri wa sora yamũkĩrĩte megawatt 1.7 kũrĩa makoragwo makĩona baita nene rĩrĩa maratwara mahũa Europe. Faida ĩrĩa Kenya ĩrĩ nayo nĩ atĩ riũa rĩaraga thikũ 30 gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na sora nĩyo hũthũ mũno kũhũthĩra.
We grow, process and export vegetables, fruits and flowers to Europe, to Far East, to Middle East, all over the world. We are associated with Mawega for more than 1.5 years now. They installed approximately 1.7 megawatts of power, equivalent power on our various farms, in all our farms. Basically, we are happy with the service what we are getting from them. We see, obviously, as you said, the prices are discounted compared to what we get from the grid. The service levels also, we are happy what they're providing us.